Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope that you people are safe and sound at your homes. I am your geo teacher and this is our 7th video lecture. In previous lecture we have discussed the topic United Kingdom, and our today's topic is another country which is Russia. You can open your books, come to page number 17. First of all, we will discuss the facts about Russia. The capital of Russia is Moscow. The currency of Russia is ruble. The religion of Russia is Christianity, and the language of Russia is Russian. You can see the picture. It is the picture of the capital of Russia, Moscow. As you know that Russia is the largest country of the world. Area wise it is the largest country. Area wise ये दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा मुल्क है. The capital of Russia is Moscow. This is Moscow. The currency of Russia is ruble, and this is ruble. The currency of Russia. The religion of Russia is Christianity, and the language is Russian. Area-wise, Russia is the largest country of the world. Russia is partly in continent Asia and in Europe. But as its capital Moscow is in European part, so it is considered as a European country. 80% of Russian part is in Asia. यानी ज़्यादातर जो हिस्सा है रशिया का वो एशिया में है, जबकि 20% जो पार्ट है रशिया का वो कॉन्टिनेंट यूरोप में है. लेकिन जो 80% पार्ट है एशिया का, इसमें सिर्फ 20% पॉपुलेशन, यानी यहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम है. अंडरस्टैंड? दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज ए यूरोपियन कंट्री. It's the flag of Russia. There are 3 colors in the flag of Russia: white, blue and red. Russia is also known as the Soviet Union and USSR. There are 11 time zones in Russia, as it is that much larger country that the different areas in this country, cities in this country follow different times. There are total 11 time zones in Russia. In this image, different color shows that every city of Russia follow different time zone. This is the picture of Lake Baikal, which is also the deepest lake of the world. Do you know what is lake? Lake means a part of water which is completely surrounded by land. This is the picture of Lake Baikal. Siberian tigers are very rare, as Siberia, the world's largest forest, is also in Russia, and these tigers are found there. These are Siberian tigers. Chess is the famous game of Russia. People of Russia are really fond of playing chess, जिसको हम उर्दू में शतरंज कहते हैं. ये वाली जो गेम है ये रशिया के लोग बहुत शौक़ से खेलते हैं. वो बहुत शौकीन है इस गेम खेलने के. रेड स्क्वायर इन मॉस्को इज़ द फेमस लैंडमार्क ऑफ रशिया. जैसे कि हमने पिछले वाले टॉपिक्स में पढ़ा दैट टावर ब्रिज एंड बिग बैन आर द फेमस लैंडमार्क्स ऑफ UK. Similarly, Red Square is the famous landmark of Russia, and this is the picture of Red Square. Now open your books, come to page number 17. Russia is largest country in the world. Its important cities are St. Petersburg and Novosibirsk. Russia is partly in Asia and partly in Europe, but as its capital is in the European part, so it is considered to be in Europe. यानी इसका जो 80% पार्ट है वो एशिया में है, लेकिन इसका जो कैपिटल है मॉस्को वो यूरोपियन पार्ट में है, तो इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड टू बी इन यूरोप। 80% ऑफ रशियन पार्ट इज़ इन एशिया बट ओनली 20% पॉपुलेशन लिव्स देयर। यानी जो 80% है रशिया का, जो एशिया में है, लेकिन वहाँ पे आबादी जो है वो इंतहाई कम है। और जो यूरोपियन पार्ट है उसमें आबादी जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसलिए इसको एक यूरोपियन कंट्री कंसिडर किया जाता है। एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो द लार्जेस्ट कंट्री ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट यूरोप एज वेल एज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। द रशियन लैंग्वेज प्रीवियत मीन्स हेलो, Dobra Yotra means good morning. Dobraye Dyan means good afternoon. Dasvidania means goodbye. And Spasiba means thank you. Russia has 11 time zones. Much of the country is empty grassland. There are large forests of the world. Siberia, which is in Russia. The Trans-Siberian Railway in Russia is the largest railway track in the world. Russia has the world's deepest lake, Lake Baikal, which contains 1/4 of the world's fresh water. Scientists have calculated that it would take 1 year for all the rivers in the world to fill the lake. साइंटिस्ट का ये मानना है कि अगर लेक बेकाल को दुनिया के तमाम दरिया जो है तो फिल करना शुरू कर दें तो इसमें भी तकरीबन 1 साल लगेगा, क्योंकि ये इतनी गहरी है। द साइबेरियन टाइगर इज़ वन ऑफ द रेयरेस्ट एनिमल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. Polar bears and brown bears are also found in Russia. Red Square in Moscow is its famous landmark and national symbol. The people of Russia are very fond of chess. This is chess. The Trans-Siberian Railways. The original Russian name for this railway is the Great Siberian Way. The Trans-Siberian was given to this route by the West and become very widespread. It was built between 1891 and 1905. This railway is the backbone of Russia. Trans-Siberian Railway is the world's longest and the most famous railway route that goes through Russia. It crosses the whole continent, starts from Moscow, passes through the European Russia and crosses the Ural Mountains and finishes in the Russian far east coast on the Pacific Ocean. The whole journey takes 7 days. The Trans-Siberian is a powerful route along more than 9,000 kilometers of its length. You will see different landscapes, meet different people and cultures. Especially you will experience Baikal, the largest and deepest freshwater lake on the earth. Finally, Trans-Siberian is a reliable and inexpensive way to get between Europe and Asia. Below is the picture of the Trans-Siberian Railway. There are some pictures in your book. This is Red Square in Moscow, which is the famous landmark of Russia. This is the view of Moscow. A street in Moscow. Lake Baikal, which is the deepest lake of the world. This is the Siberian forest, the largest forest of the world, and it's St. Petersburg. Find more about Russia on internet. Read it at home. I hope that you understand the topic today. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz and thank you.